Hi guys, it's Scott 5 and I'm here with a brand new video and I'm going to be unboxing the Sony RX100 IV. So yeah, this is one of my friends. He told me I can unbox it for my channel, but yeah, let me just get ready. So yeah, I'll just here. So you get a little tab. I already done it so I don't struggle on it. So yeah, it's an RX100. You can see it's a good quality camera. You get one battery, one charger, a case as well. Oh, not bad actually. I didn't realize it came with a case. And yeah, these are all the stuff, 4K. But yeah, there's not much about it there. So now we're gonna just open it up. So at the front you get some warranty and stuff, some paperwork, English, another language. You get this 4K, not bad. And he said I could just unbox it for my channel. He said I might as well be, like, not all the time, but be able to use it in some videos. But yeah, that's all the stuff it has. And yeah, it's just all paperwork, to be honest. So yeah, after that you get a nice place here just to lift up. Very well presented, not gonna lie. And what's this? Oh, actually, oh, it's the charger to charge it. So it's the brick, like the Xbox and stuff has a brick. You plug the USB here and you plug the AC here. That means this, we get an AC cable. It's no, not AC, HDMI to micro HDMI. Oh, not HDMI. Oh, sorry, I just completely screwed up. My USB to micro USB chargers with this, and well, let's got a strap, Sony branded. You can't really see that well. Sony branded. We get the charger to AC. I have like a bunch of these, and same with this. So I probably won't be using these, but I don't know if it only works with this type or any. And now time to get out of the camera. Oh, actually, 1 minute. What's this? I just noticed this. So we get a clip, I believe. I'll show you. You get 2 clips or something like that. You connect it to, and we get a battery. As you've seen in my video before, I unboxed extra batteries for the extra for when I can record videos. Battery, nice. Oh, that's cold. That's nice. And you get the camera. Oh, this packaging though, I'm not gonna lie, this is like really nice packaging. It came up like this. Open it. So here we go. That's actually quite big. I'm not gonna lie. This is quite thin, the camera, but this is pretty big. You got a bit of dust, don't know why it's there, but yeah. Sony, I got it refurbished, second hand. The guy said when he got it, but it was like brand new. You have Sony over here, RX100, you got the shutter button, on and off. That won't work because I didn't put the battery in. Auto, let's try this. Oh, nothing happens, damn. What about this? 1 minute, this is quite hard to push down. Oh damn, I actually never seen this before, so it was my first time. So you have something to look through. Nothing in it right now because legit I just got it. So we're going to put that back in. I wonder if this one actually goes out, if it's just... Oh damn, what's this? So that's the flash. One thing I'm worried about is this might break the stuff here, but yeah, not bad flash. Is it hard? Yeah, it's kind of hard to put in. You have the ring here to move around, and time to put the battery in. So to do this, you push this here and then it should open. Oh, that was, I'm not gonna lie, that isn't as satisfying as others I was expecting, but it's a camera. So yeah, you put it and then you go up. I don't know if it's automatic or not, that's the thing. So we're gonna put the battery in. Which way does it go in? I believe it goes in this way. I don't know. Yeah, I think that's correct. Here we go. Let's see if it has charge or not. And then I'll show you the screens after, but let's go. Oops. No. Oh, okay, never mind. Setup screen. So English. Yes. Date and time. Area. So we're going to do London. So daylight saver, I'll probably say on. I wonder what the difference is. I'll go for off because it was set as off, not set. So we're just gonna leave all that stuff for now. And now go to this to do this stuff. If you want to connect to your phone, I don't know if I'd be showing that AR code or if it does anything. Oh, so now that it's up. That's pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. You can't see that, but the lighting's better there. So I'm gonna show you what the front looks like when you turn it on. This is really big. Mine's is quite short, but that's pretty big. And time to show something. This is like one of the reasons why I got it. So I can't do it with one hand. I'll just 1 minute. I'll put my tripod up. Here we go. So this can also do this. Oh, that's actually kind of weird. Oh, so you put it. Sorry, I can't. So you could. Let me show you again. Because I don't think you guys saw it. So you could put it like this, up a bit, move it away from you a bit, then put it fully. And there we go. A vlogging camera, just to vlog yourself. But I probably won't be doing that many vlogs because not a lot of people like the video when I said if you want to do vlogs. If you do want me to do it, you got the movie button what I'll probably be pressing. It's very small, I'm not gonna lie. I got a screen protect actually. Let me apply that on so you see me when I get the screen protect on. So guys, I'm really sorry. I just remembered I was making another video and a lot of people told me to speak slower because apparently I speak really fast. So yeah, I'll be putting the screen protector on as you guys can see this one. So yeah, let's see how easy it is to apply screen protector to a camera like this. So first thing we do, we get the wipe it clean. This is going to be a mess of a video because I've got so much stuff around everywhere. There we go. We clean it, we wipe it clean. After that, we get this one. The actual wipe, we just open it up. Guys, subscribe for more videos. I'm trying to grind here and some of you guys just aren't subscribing to me, so just subscribe, make my dream come true. And because I'm doing so many giveaways, like some YouTubers that are like go like 100k, 200, or even a mil aren't doing as much giveaways. Like some YouTubers don't even do giveaways. And now we get the screen protect out. So the screen was actually decently sized, not gonna lie. Okay, how does it go? Okay, it goes in like that. So it should just go on in front. So if I mess up, I still have another one. Why is this not? I think it's the wrong way actually. Nope, it's not. It's just going out. 1 minute. I'm trying to take this out. Here we go. I messed it up. Yep, I messed up, guys. I made a severe and continuous lapse of my judgment. But yeah, hopefully I don't mess up this one. I have one more. If I mess this up, I'll be shocked. This kit isn't that good quality. I'm trying to peel all these stuff out and it's come out completely wrong. Okay, here. Now we've got a last one. I can't mess this up. If I do, I'll be annoyed because it means I have to order another one in. So I'm going to be looking at it from this angle. Is that a screen? 1 minute. Nope, I better not be doing that. I'll just put a screen protector on above it. There we go. Oh, you see that? That was satisfying, I'm not gonna lie. So it's pretty shiny, but yeah. You can see me. And there we go. We got the screen protector on nicely. We got a tripod mount. One thing I'm not sure about is this. Well, tell me if this is for every single one or not. But it's like weird. We got that. And yeah. So now I'll be showing you how it's like with this down. So I'll just get it out as well. And here you guys can probably look at that. So it's just very good quality. Not gonna lie, one of probably the best cameras in the market. Like G7X, my friend was gonna get one of those. I think there's no battery, just switched off. But my friend was gonna get one of those, but he said nah, just get this instead. So yeah, we got 2 ports. We got a multi port, and that's for HDMI for charging. That's interesting. And then this port is HDMI, which is a micro HDMI port. I believe it's micro. Yep, HDMI. And this has an app as well, but I wouldn't be using the app to be honest. So yeah, thanks for watching. Smash that thumbs up button. Road to 2K. Thanks. And I'll be doing a lot of giveaways, so just like, subscribe, comment other video ideas, and help me get to 2K subscribers. Bye.